Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide your live stream on Instagram, giving you more control over who can see your content. If you're looking to keep your live broadcasts private or limit visibility to certain people, this quick guide will help you set it up in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Make sure it's up to date so you have access to the latest settings. Once you're in the app, tap your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you can manage your account. Now, tap the menu icon in the top right corner, which looks like 3 horizontal lines or a small hamburger icon. This will open up a new menu. From the menu, select Settings. You'll be taken to the settings page where you can adjust different privacy options. Next, scroll down to find the section labeled Who can see your content? Tap on that option. Now, you'll see an option called Hide Story and Live. Tap on it to proceed. Here, you can select who you want to hide your live streams from. You can choose specific people or select groups of people to exclude from viewing your live content. Once you've selected who to hide from, tap Done. At the top right corner of the screen to save your settings. And that's it. You've successfully hidden your Instagram live streams from the people you selected. Now, you have complete control over who can view your live broadcasts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Instagram tips and tutorials.